How come your Roborock Dyad still not have water after you poured it in? Calm down. See how we help our customers with similar problems. Our customer came to us with a Roborock Dyad that didn't work properly. When the water is poured in, the robot still says there is no water. They asked us to find a solution. Then when we tried to turn on the vacuum cleaner, it kept saying an error like this. And then, eureka, we uncovered the mystery, a faulty water sensor. So, we suggested a water sensor replacement. And with the customer's nod of approval, the service began. The moment of truth, drum roll, please. Voila! No more headaches, no more no water drama. The vacuum is back, performing at its absolute best. If you've got a robot vacuum problem, let us be your solution.